Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Facebook Ads Manager for conversion campaigns step by step clearly. First, log into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager by clicking on the drop-down menu in the top right corner. Select Ads Manager from the menu options. Once in Ads Manager, locate the green Create button and click on it. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to choose a campaign objective. Select Conversions from the list of objectives. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, fill in your campaign name in the designated field. You can also select your campaign budget optimization if desired. Click Next to move on to the ad set level. In the ad set settings, choose the conversion event you want to track. This could be a purchase, add to cart, or lead submission based on your goals. Set your target audience by defining demographics, interests, and behaviors. Next, select the placement of your ads. You can choose automatic placements or manual placements depending on your strategy. Set your budget and schedule according to your campaign needs. Once you've configured the ad set, click Next again. Now it's time to create your ad. Choose the format of your ad, such as single image, video, or carousel. Upload the media you wish to use for your ad. Craft engaging ad copy that resonates with your target audience. Make sure to include a compelling call to action. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy and alignment with your campaign goals. Finally, click on the green Publish button to launch your conversion campaign. Your Facebook Ads Manager is now activated for conversion campaigns, and your ads are set to go live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.